My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the scary alerts that are related to the site fasterpcnetwork.com. Fasterpcnetwork.com is a new deceptive site. It displays multiple fake alerts that try to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups by fasterpcnetwork.com, do not ever trust them, do not interact with them. Do not install anything that such pop-ups actually suggest. Such pop-ups and other unwanted notifications could be the result of some adware to be enabled in your computer. We recommend that you carefully research the list of the programs and uninstall any items that are suspicious. We also recommend that you research the system with the Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete other threats. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.